In this video lecture, I will talk about the 16 most important multiple choice question based on fruits. Question number 1, geocarpic fruit is option number 1 mango, second orange, third watermelon, fourth peanut. So here correct answer will be the peanut is a geocarpic fruit. Question number 2, okay, which is the correct match for edible part? Option number 1 tomato thalamus, second maize cotyledons, third guava mesocarp, fourth date is pericarp. So here correct answer will be the date in which edible part is the pericarp. Question number 3rd, this is also important question. So edible part of banana is option number 1 epicarp, second epicarp and mesocarp, third mesocarp and less developed endocarp, fourth endocarp and less developed mesocarp. So here correct answer will be the mesocarp and less developed endocarp, which is the edible part of banana. Question number 4th, okay, look at here. Question number 4th, juicy hair-like structure observed in lemon fruit develop from option number 1 exocarp, second mesocarp, third endocarp, fourth mesocarp and endocarp. So in this way the correct answer is here endocarp, which is the juicy hair-like structure and found into the lemon fruit. Question number 5th, okay, look at question number 5th. Pineapple ananas fruit develops from cluster of flowers borne or compactly on common axis, multilocular monocarpellary flower, unilocular polycarpellary flower, multispicillate syncarpous flower. So here correct answer will be the cluster of flower borne on compactly on a common axis. So this is the fruit, means it is the pineapple or ananas fruit. Question number 6th. Okay, look at question number 6. This is also very simplest question. Banana is cremocarp, parthenocarpic berry, drupe, capsule. So here correct answer will be the parthenocarpic berry, because we know banana is the natural parthenocarpic fruit. So question number 7. Look at question number 7. The fruit is chambered, developed from inferior ovary and has seeds with the succulent testa in. Option number 1 guava, second pomegranate, third cucumber, fourth orange. So here correct answer will be the pomegranate, where the chambered means fruit is chambered and developed from the inferior ovary and seeds with the succulent testa generally formed. So this is the characteristics of pomegranate fruit. Question number next. Okay, question number 8. Look at here. Dry indehiscent single-seeded fruits formed from bicarpellary syncarpous and inferior ovary. Clear? So option number 1 berry, second is the cremocarp, and third is the cypsela, fourth is the caryopsis. So here correct answer will be the cypsela, which is the dry indehiscent single-seeded fruit. Question number 9th. Look at question number 9th. Okay. A drupe developed in option number 1 mango, second wheat, third pea, fourth tomato. So here correct answer will be the mango, which is the drupe fruit, means succulent. Drupe is a type of succulent or fleshy food. Question number 10. Look at here, question number 10. Just wait now. How many plants in the list given below have composite fruits that develops from an inflorescence? Option number 1 walnut, poppy, radish, fig, pineapple, apple, tomato, mulberry. Option number 1 4, second 5, third 2, fourth is the 3. So here correct answer will be the fig, pineapple and mulberry. These 3 are composite fruit, and composite fruit develops from the whole inflorescence. So in this way your correct answer will be the 3. So 3 fruits which is the composite type and develop from the whole inflorescence. Question number 11th. Now look at question number 11th. The coconut water and the edible part of coconut are equivalent to option number 1 endosperm, second is the endocarp, third is the mesocarp and fourth is the embryo. This is also very simple question. So here correct answer will be the endosperm. Endosperm is the coconut water and edible part. Means soft coconut means soft, that is coconut tender is, you can say coconut tender is the cellular endosperm and coconut water is the nuclear endosperm. So in this way, the endosperm is the edible part of coconut. Okay. Question number 12. Cremocarp. Okay, question number 12. Look at here again. Okay, cremocarp fruit of coriander is option number 1 fleshy fruit, second cytocarpic fruit, third aggregate fruit, fourth composite fruit. So here correct answer will be it is a cytocarpic fruit. So cremocarp is the cytocarpic fruit. Okay, next look at here again. Question number 13. Cypsela is a fruit which develops from syncarpus inferior single-seeded ovary, does not have a fruit wall, and has fruit wall fused with the seed coat, has fleshy pericarp. So here correct answer will be the develops from the syncarpus inferior and single-seeded ovaries. Means this Cypsela fruit develops from the syncarpus, means carpal fuse, inferior epigynous and single-seeded ovary. So this is the Cypsela fruit. Question number 14. Okay, look at this is the last slide. Fruit of candy tuft is option number 1 capsule, second is the follicle, and third is the silicula, and fourth is the lumentum. So here correct answer will be the silicula. Silicula is the fruit of candy tuft. Question number 15. Now look at question number 15. Coir is obtained from fruits of Coconus nucifera, seeds of Coconut nucifera, stem of Coconut nucifera, leaves of Cocos nucifera, because scientific name of Cocos nucifera is the coconut. So here that is correct answer will be the fruit of Coconus nucifera. Means simply you can say fruit of coconut. Coconut means their scientific name is the Cocos nucifera. Okay. So in this way correct answer will the fruit of, because in the mesocarp that coir is there, by coir we can obtain this jute, means coir used for the preparation of jute. Now next, and this is the last question, 15th. Okay, look at here now, last question. Edible part of mulberry is option number 1 thalamus, second perianth, third rachis, and fourth is the ripened ovary. So here correct answer will be the edible part of mulberry is the perianth. Perianth means where calyx corolla is undifferentiated. So this is the 16 most important multiple choice question based on fruit, and it will be helpful for NEET and other competitive exams. So thank you.